Are you on top of your online marketing? Unsure if you are missing something? Website creation, social media management, different types of advertising, email campaigns, Google presence, branding, blog articles, search engine optimization, content creation. It can all feel overwhelming and confusing. But it doesn't have to. Most companies, brands, or individuals' goals are quite similar. So, what's the bottom line? To increase engagement and conversions whilst reaching a healthy return on investment. Eliminate all the jargon and simply master the fundamentals. Get the basics right and watch your insights grow. Imagine your digital footprint in the future if you take action now. Contact us today for a free discovery session and let's work together to show the world what you have to offer.